From a scary-looking skull made out of bacon, to a cake that looks like a fleshy human brain, and to a spooky Halloween punch made with icy children's hands. Today we're going to take a look at the 20 scariest Halloween foods that actually exist. Let's get started with number 20, Blood Drip Cupcake. We love these small cakes that come with nice portions of frosting and decorations. But what if you get cupcakes that look spooky? During Halloween, people in bakery shops serve some creepy cakes, which look as if blood is dripping out of them. After frosting the cakes, they use red food coloring or puree or jam to give that effect. Sometimes they even add sugar crystal shreds to provide the broken glass effect. Number 19, Ghost Pizza. How many of you like having a pizza night while doing a horror movie marathon during Halloween? If you're that kind, then you can prank your family or friends with some crazy pizzas. Did you ask how? Well, just go ahead and make some ghost-shaped pizzas. Either make the shape of the base like a ghost or use the cheese. You may even go the extra mile and use the toppings to shape up some demons in there. Number 18, Monster Burgers. A good juicy burger with cheese slices and veggies with fries on the sides. Who doesn't like that, right? But it's Halloween month, which means time for some spooky pranks. Here is the best way you can set the season right. In come Monster Burgers. People love shaping the veggies and cheese like teeth and adding cherries with toothpicks as eyes on the buns. You could also use all the ketchup you want for that red bleeding effect. Ooh, spookylicious. Number 17, Squid Ink Pasta. What better way than to prank a pasta lover with some pasta? Not gonna be so Mamma Mia for them. Well, Squid Ink Pasta to the rescue. Don't worry, it doesn't taste bad either. In Italian houses, it is served as one of their dishes, but you can make it spooky by giving a hairy monster look to it. Just add the eye of cheese and you can give the creeps. Number 16, Skull Chocolate with Walnut Brain. Kids coming to houses to get a trick or treat is a very fun tradition, and so is scaring these little monsters. Skull Chocolate with a walnut brain is the best way to do it. Imagine a kid getting a big ball of chocolate only to get spooked before enjoying it. Number 15, Skeleton Cookies. Freshly baked cookies with warm milk on a chilled night. Yes, please. But a chilled Halloween night can turn into a spooky night when you're served with skeleton cookies. These cookies are first baked by shaping them into a skeleton and frosted with white chocolate for drawing the skeleton on the cookies. Don't throw it away in anger, because I am sure you don't want to regret not eating those delicious cookies within. Number 14, Intestine Puff Pastry. Puff pastry with a cup of coffee is heavenly bliss. Puff pastry in the shape of an intestine is the best way to do it, and adding a glaze of jam will just add the perfect effect. The party will not just start with a little shock, but also with a good laugh. Number 13, Roach Pastry. Ending a perfect Halloween dinner with an amazing dessert equals a happy belly. But what if you're served with a roach instead of cake? What? Well, it's not exactly roaches, but pastry shaped as roaches. The liquid caramel gives it a gooey effect. Yeah, it's not really a good way to end dinner, but hey, let's not go with the look. Pretty sure it tastes amazing. Number 12, Hot Dog Fingers. Having a Halloween spooky story night can be really fun. Complete darkness with only a bright bonfire as a light source. In between the storytelling, your friend or a family member passes you a hot dog shaped like a finger. What the heck? Hot dog fingers, where the sausages are shaped into real-looking fingers. And with all that ketchup drizzled over, it is an eye-popping attack. Number 11, Spider Deviled Eggs. Deviled eggs for breakfast can be a great start to the day, but a deviled egg that has a spider on it? Yeah, no. People who fear spiders the most can be really spooked from this, but we can't help it when it comes to Halloween. This dish will not just freak you out, but will also make you think of your prankster's sanity. Hey, don't get angry. After all, it's Halloween. All forgiven. Number 11, Halloween Guacamole. Let's have a Tuesday taco night. But what if it's a Tuesday Halloween taco night? In this dish, the guacamole is spread out from a carved pumpkin, making it look like it's puking. Yikes. Making us wonder what we have done to our prankster to receive such a gift. Let's try to keep the focus on tacos alone. Number 9, Graveyard Cheesecake. As we said, a good dessert after a good dinner means a happy belly, but not really for kids if parents decided to scare them. Graveyard cheesecake made with chocolate crumbs, candy, and cookies is a perfect way to do it. Sorry, but not sorry. This cheesecake just turned creepy. Number 8, Eyeball Pasta. We love spaghetti and meatballs. Those juicy meatballs with a good tomato sauce, Oh yeah, one more plate, please. But what if you get spaghetti with eyeballs instead of meatballs? Hey, we're not Casper's uncle. Eyeball pasta is nothing but meatballs shaped and designed like eyeballs. It tastes absolutely the same, it just doesn't look absolutely the same. Just a spooky Mamma Mia on the plate. Number 7, Dracula denture. We love dressing up as Dracula. It's one of our favorite fictional characters, but that doesn't mean we want to eat it. Well, not exactly Dracula, but his teeth. Dracula denture is actually a cookie. It's a cookie filled with marshmallows at the edge and lined with red frosting to give that fang effect. It's nothing but a tasty denture. So go get your warm milk and enjoy these delights. Number 6, Zombie Brain Jello Shots. Zombie Brain Jello Shots have made the Halloween party nights more fun. The Jello Shots are made in brain shapes where the jam is added in between. To give it an extra effect, red food coloring is added to the brains as its veins. Number 5, Witch Finger Cookies. Remember that tale of Hansel and Gretel? Every kid is scared of that old witch who wanted to cook 2 kids and eat them. Now it's our turn to eat the witch, or at least her fingers. Get baking and remember to serve them with a nice glass of cold milk. These deliciously creepy cookies will definitely scare anyone, but add that fairy tale twist to them, and suddenly there's a lot of joy in eating that old witch. Number 4, Raspberry Jello Worms. Worms are creepy, and these crawlies can be found everywhere. Now they can be on your menu and on your dining table too. And can they also be eaten? Disgusting. Well, not really. We recommend you try these Raspberry Jello Worms this Halloween. These treats are really easy to make, and they don't even need too many ingredients. The best part, you can even make a whole bunch and store it for all those sugar, wormy cravings later. Number 3, Spooky Halloween Punch. Who doesn't love a good old punch? No, not the hitting kind, we're talking about the drink. Halloween party on your mind? You should definitely make this delicious and spooky drink. A bright red drink full of hand-shaped ice is our recommendation. The perfect creep element to your table. And if your guests are of drinking age, add some vodka to it and you'll have some real-life zombies on your hands. Number 2, Human Brain Cake. What's on your Halloween platter? Zombies? Monsters? Creepy crawlers? Well, how about some brains? Use some red velvet cake for the extra spook factor. You could also take any sponge cake you like and cut it in the brain shape. Then, make some buttercream and add red food coloring to it, shaping it accordingly. And then go paint the town, cake, red. This certainly was a no-brainer, right? Number 1, Skull Cheese Board. Don't worry, like always, the best is saved for last. Is anything better than a bright red skeleton for Halloween? The kids will line up at your dining table when they see this beauty for sure. All you need is a lot of prosciutto slices or bacon strips to get that bright red color, and a ton of cheeses and crackers to fill the board. You can also add some nice fruits if you like.
Are you ready to watch another fun video? Click the video on screen now, or the one linked below.